Welcome back to QuizIQ Mint. Can you answer the science and nature quiz within just 10 seconds? We prepared 50 biology basics questions, and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you will receive 1 point. If you are ready, hit that subscribe button first, and let's start. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Leaf. Where is DNA located in a cell? Nucleus. What is the basic unit of life? Cell. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood? Heart. What is the chemical formula for water? H2O. What type of biomolecule is an enzyme? Protein. Which kingdom do mushrooms belong to? Fungi.
If you feel happy, please leave a comment to let Annie know. Annie looks forward to receiving your feedback.
What do chloroplasts do? Conduct photosynthesis. What is the main gas that plants absorb from the atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. What is the term for animals that only eat plants? Herbivores. What blood type is known as the universal donor? O. What is the process by which plants make their food? Photosynthesis. Which human organ is responsible for detoxification? Liver. What molecule carries oxygen in the blood? Hemoglobin. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. What structure in the cell membrane helps maintain its shape? Cholesterol. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin C? Scurvy. What is the main function of red blood cells? Transport oxygen. What is the scientific term for the windpipe? Trachea. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? Insulin. What type of macromolecule are starch and glycogen? Carbohydrates. What type of reproduction involves only one parent? Asexual. What is the largest bone in the human body? Femur. Where are the adrenal glands located? Kidneys. What is the term for a group of cells that perform a similar function? Tissue. Which system in the body controls and coordinates its activities? Nervous. What is the smallest unit of an element? Atom. What is the main component of plant cell walls? Cellulose. Which blood cells are involved in clotting? Platelets. What is the function of ribosomes? Protein synthesis. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum. What is the process of cell division in body cells called? Mitosis. What is the main structural component of the cell membrane? Lipids. What is the function of the large intestine? absorb water? Which organelle is known as the cellular powerhouse? Mitochondrion. What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What type of organism makes its own food? Autotroph. What is the main function of white blood cells? Fight infection. Which vitamin is necessary for blood clotting? Vitamin K. What type of joint is found in the shoulder and hip? Ball and socket. What is the scientific name for the voice box? Larynx. What is the primary pigment found in chloroplasts? Chlorophyll. Which part of the brain regulates body temperature? Hypothalamus. What type of blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Arteries. What is the term for the loss of water from a plant through its leaves? Transpiration. What is the name of the process by which cells engulf large particles? Phagocytosis. What is the term for the spread of cancer cells to other parts of the body? Metastasis. What is the main purpose of the human digestive system? Absorb nutrients.
That's all for today's video. When you had a really enjoyable time, and hope you did too, comment to let us know how many questions you guessed right. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to QuizIQ Mint to receive more exciting videos. See you soon. See you soon.